I would have to say really the salient point of that question is what is it that we're not doing that we should be doing?
Have you got any sort of tactics and tips and tricks and tools that anybody can sort of download or start using that sort of give us a little insight to what you're doing?
You'll be the same. As somebody that's obsessed with the digital world, I'm always looking at new pieces of software and new technology that I can use to A, make my life easier, but B, stand out in front of other competitors and stand out to my consumers. The reason automation is key is because we have quite literally hundreds and hundreds of different people coming into our apartments throughout the year. So I can't keep on track of messaging all of these people, all of these different things at all different times. I didn't think that it was really a massive problem because the key thing that GDPR stops is people purchasing mailing lists from one another. So from a personal point of view, you can kind of have more of a peace of mind that your own data is protected. If you give your email to somebody or you give your phone number to somebody, they're not legally allowed anymore to just go ahead and say, hey, who wants to buy this? You know, you can take my whole list for X amount of money. So if you start looking at your serviced accommodation unit as a brand, a big thing that Mark was just touching on and that I'm going to touch on in a second is brand recognition. It's when you think about the Coca-Cola logo or the McDonald's logo or any of these big brands that you would recognize without even seeing the name written underneath the logo, that's because they put that brand in your face so many times that now you subconsciously recognize what it is that brand does and what it represents.